This is CPM Precalculus Chapter 1, number 120. Solve each equation for y. Okay, this is basically saying isolate y and get the equation y equals whatever. Okay, so to do that, first we're going to have to, let's just distribute these terms, this one on the right as well. So we get 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals 6x minus 30. Okay, let's subtract 2x from both sides and also 6 from both sides. So we get 3y equals to 4x minus 36. Then let's divide both sides by 3. Okay, so we get y is equal to, and remember this 3 gets divided by all the terms in the numerator. So that's 4/3 x minus 36 over 3. Well, 36 over 3 we know is 12. Okay, so this is part A, 4/3 x minus 12, and part B. Part B, we want to do the same thing. We want to isolate y and get y equals. So here we have y in the denominator. So let's be careful about this. We know y is in the denominator, so we can never divide by 0. Let's just put a little note. Y cannot be 0, right? Because if y is 0, we're dividing by 0. Anyway, we're going to multiply both sides by y because we want to get y outside of the denominator. Right? Those cancel out. We're left with 6x plus 1 equals to 6y. And then we want to divide both sides by 6. So we get, on the right we have just y, just like we wanted. And then 6x divided by 6 is just x. 1 divided by 6 is 1/6. Okay? So the only thing to keep track of is y cannot be 0. Well, what happens if y is 0? Then we know x is negative 1/6. So we know in parentheses y cannot be 0, or we could write that as x cannot be negative 1/6. Okay, that's just because we cannot divide by 0 there. Okay, so this is isolating y and solving the equation for it. Okay, so this ends CPM Precalculus Chapter 1, number 120.